Hi friends, today we are going to explore the list of latest Turkish series with top ratings released in fall 2021. To cope up with OTT platforms and to satisfy the expectations of international audience, Turkish dramas keep evolving beyond their cliched storylines. Before we begin, welcome to Montage Romantic and please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Jaylin is a brave and ruthless defense attorney who is constantly in trouble with prosecutors and the police. Ilgas is a no nonsense prosecutor who does everything by the book. When Jaylin comes to him looking for a back channel info to help clear a client, Ilgas throws her out of his office. But when his own brother is accused of murder, Ilgas hires Jaylin as his advocate. Things take a twisted turn when they find out the identity of the victim. With an unpredictable plot and amazing acting, Yagi TV series is a complete package of emotions, action, suspense, and romance. Ushkurush is a crime thriller with interesting storyline and also from the director of successful series Shukur. Efe is a police captain of organized crime unit. Katal is a gypsy crime boss but with a moral code. When a serial killer stalks the Romani neighborhood, Efe teams up with Katal to bring the killer to justice. Efe has always looked at Katal's neighborhood as a breeding ground for criminals and lowlifes. But the mission changes his perspective, and in time, he falls in love with a young gypsy woman. On the other hand, Kartal too gets involved with the daughter of a mafia leader, which changes his path and questions his morality. Asi was happily married to Jamal, the love of her life, at a very young age. After having two kids, unable to face the financial difficulties, Jamal abandoned them and never returned. Since then, being a single mother of two, Asiye devoted her life for the happiness of her children. Her peaceful life turns upside down with a disaster that befell one night. To protect her children, Asiye leaves to Istanbul. Her path crosses with Mahir, a kind stranger who helps them and takes them in his car without knowing this would change their lives forever. When they met with an accident, Asiye and her kids had to pretend like Mahir's spouse and children and also takes refuge in his mansion. What she didn't expect is after so many years, she will meet her husband Jamal with his new family in the same mansion. LKC series has an emotional storyline with a strong female character, Izo. Izo was brought up by a cruel father and a harsh grandmother due to the early death of her mother. Izo only had two things in her life: memories of her mother and her childhood friend Ali, who is in love with her. When she finds out that her father is the reason for her mother's death, infuriated Izo is hell bent to take her revenge on him. That day, she makes a terrible decision that affects her life irrecoverably. Aziz is a beautiful romantic drama based on the period when Turkey was under French invasion. Aziz is the only heir of wealthy Paida family who are the largest carpet manufacturers in Antakya. His fate changes when he kills a French delegate and is forced to leave his homeland and only love Dilruba. When he returns after 2 years, he finds out he lost his family fortune and also Dilruba is engaged to his cousin. Heartbroken and tormented, Aziz starts his life all over again. Despite of all the obstacles from his enemies, Aziz is determined to resume his late father's carpet business. When he unexpectedly meets and saves Efnan, a simple village girl, his life takes a turn for good. With Efnan's help and love, he finds himself and his true love over time. Azra is raised from a family full of lawyers. Along with her sister, she worked for her mother's firm, who is an authoritative woman. The stable life of Azra is shaken when she learns the infidelity of her husband, who is also a divorce attorney. Despite all her professional experience, Azra is ill prepared for her own divorce. when she reconnects with an old flame at her new firm. In the midst of a nasty divorce, a reviving love affair, and a bitter business rivalry with her own mother, Azra is pushed to the very limit. Based on the Korean drama Innocent Defendant, Mahkum is a new crime series from Fox TV. Firat Bulut, an idealistic public prosecutor, wakes up one morning to find himself in prison. He doesn't remember anything and is on a trial for murdering his wife and daughter. He is now left with no option but to find the truth behind his condition and prove his innocence. Most of the projects in the list are ambitious and expressing the day to day issues of current lifestyle. Please let us know in the comments the series which you find interesting and different. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.